What I took away from the last conference was the excitement and the energy, the quest for knowledge that the group seemed to demonstrate. And I think that having it as a verbal behavior conference gave us a focus of a particular topic that we could all talk about, and with different variations of that. We all talk all around the world, and usually they're in conferences where we get 1 hour and we're the verbal behavior, we get our little segment, and then there's 50 other topics. So it's kind of fun to have the whole conference about one topic that we're all interested in.
Mark and Vince and I can talk about things in a way that we wouldn't delve into in a less sophisticated audience. And boy, this audience is exciting to talk to.
We all started in the 70s, 60s.
I told you I was the old guy.
we were begging people to take behavioral concepts. We were trying to give away verbal behavior, trying to figure out how to do just basic man training was unknown at that point.
A conference like this provides a unique way to get a lot of information on very specific issues that are concerning to you, that are problems you have to solve in a very quick and easy sort of way, with all of the opportunity to interact with their colleagues. Very different from getting that information from reading a journal or listening to a podcast.
We don't have time to learn everything. There's so much content in this field. And so it's much easier to have colleagues give us the old cliff notes, which give me 3 papers, tell me what to do.
I hope that people are as excited about these developments in complex verbal behavior as we are.
A conference like this kind of focuses people's priorities and what they should do over the next year in terms of what research they should be looking at, what they should be doing in order to solve some of those problems. So I think it sets some really nice priorities for people, and also hopefully to inspire some people to get involved in some research and to take their practitioner role and move it into a practitioner researcher sort of role, where they answer some of these questions based upon the information that was provided, and we'll all benefit from that.